Friends, Running Kimono here. So as far as I know, this little double dip that was taking place on Sunday the 12th is still taking place today, which is the 13th, where you buy 3 of these, you pay the balance of $9 or roll some Walgreens cash, whatever you want to do, and you get back $3 in Walgreens cash plus this $3 register reward. I had a lot of people in the comments and messaging me over on different social media apps saying it's still working. Do this at your discretion. If you don't want to do it, too much of a risk, that's fine, but it shakes these out to like $1.29 per, which is a really good price point. And if you go and do it, let us know how you do in this video or yesterday's haul video. And you must do this deal in-store only, as it's involving a register reward. Okay, so before we do a deep dive into this week's curbside deals, we're going to talk really quickly about Bath & Body Works. The semi-annual sale started on Saturday the 11th, and it's still going. I made a video, just some tips and tricks on how to save the most amount of money. So if you wish to check it out, this video will be linked at the very end, and this is a month-long sale. Okay, so we're going to talk about curbside deals. What is a curbside deal, etc.? Well, it's basically you make the order through your cell phone or a desktop computer, and you opt to pick it up at store, where you physically drive, go either to the designated parking spot, call the phone number to get somebody to bring it out to you, or you go into the store to the photo department and they'll bring you your order. And it is on the left-hand side, that pickup in the blue. And when you do that pickup of $10 or more merchandise, it's essentially, your pickup is totally free, and the prices are a little bit cheaper on this option. No register rewards so that little tie deal, you can't do it as a curbside, but these deals are for cheap and really inexpensive prices because on curbside, the prices are a bit cheaper. Okay, deal number 1, curbside. We're going to go for some makeup. So we're going to look for this very beautiful CoverGirl mascara for $5.39. It is buy one, get one 50% off for this promotion. And usually these mascaras are like $6.99 in store. So there's some savings. Boom, right there. This is the digital coupon that you need to load, which is a $4 off. The next super duper CoverGirl product we're going to grab is this loose powder for $4.99. If you don't like any of the colors, I believe they have a translucent one, which is the color white, just so you're not blotting or something like that, or no grease. And we have this very wonderful $4 digital coupon. So CoverGirl's really bringing these high value digital coupons in the last couple of weeks, I have noticed. To get the basket right to $10, we're going to grab the Walgreens unscented panty liners for $2.99. Now we only need one to make the magic happen for this little deal, and this is why this is such a sweet item to grab, because we have a $2.50 digital coupon, so it makes that item like super uber cheap. So please make sure you have this guy loaded. Okay, so just looking at the digital coupons, $4 for the first CoverGirl, BOGO 50% off. There is no overage, so the $4 coupon gets reduced down to $2.49. And then the last one for the Walgreens panty liner, $2.50. Looking at the overall basket, our total was $10.87. Curbside free. See, that's why it's curbside. That's why we have to do it that way. We have a little bit of Michigan tax, $8.99 of manufacturers. So your new total is $2.35. You know what I would do? Use $2 in Walgreens cash, pay 35 cents on your debit or Visa card, and then laugh all the way to the bank and back. I think this is a really good, inexpensive deal. And if you are just a little bit of face powder and a little bit of mascara kind of girl, you got your makeup covered for the summer right here. The next curbside deal that we have, we're just going to kind of augment the basket. We have our $2.99 liners, so we're going to need that $2.50 digital loaded again. Along with, we're going to grab 2 Colgate toothpaste at $3.99. for a price point of $7.98. So we have our $2.50 for the panty liners loaded, plus we are going to load this $3 digital coupon off of 2 for the Colgate toothpaste. Now, just to show you, there is a promotion, and yes, this will work as a curbside of buy 2, get $5 of Walgreens cash. Because it's a Walgreens cash offer and not a register reward, for curbside, yes, you will be awarded it like 2 hours after you pick it up. So looking at our digital coupons, they both came off. So the $2.50 for the menstrual, I just didn't show you in this segment because I already showed you in the previous one, but you need that $2.50 digital plus the 3 off of 2 for the Colgate. Okie dokie. So the subtotal is $10.97. We're opting for a curbside pickup. That's free. We have the tax. We have $5.50 in manufacturers melting off right there. So the total is $5.95. I would use $5 in Walgreens cash, pay 95 cents. And then after you pick up your order, if you wait like 2 hours or so, it'll be posted to your account, where you will get back your $5 in Walgreens cash for fulfilling this order. Okay, curb number 3. This is one of your favorites, which is the PUFFS tissue. I believe in store this is $7.99, and this is one of these products. They have been really being creative with the prices, like crazy increases on this specific product. If you love Puffs, you know the value of this deal. If you don't care about tissues, facial tissues, Kleenex, then this probably won't be a deal for you, but we're going to add 2 to the basket. On one of my accounts, I had a 4 off a 2. Some of the accounts had a $2 off, so you'd have to augment your basket in a different way. And only certain types of puffs now are sold in store. Now, as you can see, that 4 off a 2 digital coupon just melts off right there. So there's a little bit of savings. And just looking at the overall basket, for the 2, it's $14.98. It's expensive. Free curbside pickup, 90 cents of tax, or $4 digital is off, so it's $11.88. Now, I personally would use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay the $1.88. I know a lot of people are like, you're losing $10, but it's just like, if you know the quality of this product, you know that it's well worth losing $10 of Walgreens cash to have 2 big boxes of Puffs. Okay, the number 4 deal that we have, this one is, if you're having a bad day and you just need a little pick-me-up, and I think we've all been there. These Lint 4-ounce milk chocolate bars, and that's quite a bit of chocolate. They're 3 for $9. Original price point is $3.99, so 99 cents savings per bar, so it's the bigger ones. We have $2 digital coupons on this specific product, so if you like Lint and you like all things fancy, this might be a deal pour-vous. And then why not grab some panty liners with it? We're going to load that $2.50 digital along with 3 Lint chocolate bars. I think there's like 4 or 5 different flavors. So definitely hunt down the one that you want. And then just to show you the digital coupons, we have the $1 for the oat bar, or whatever it's called, the $2.50 for the panty liners, and then the other $1 for the Lint chocolate bar. Now the overall summary. The overall summary is $11.99 for this basket. We're doing a curbside pickup, so that's free. No tax, because of the liners and the chocolate in Michigan. We don't pay tax on that. Plus, we have $4.50 of digitals, so $7.49 is the balance. I would use $5 in Walgreens cash, pay $2.49, and you have something, you know, if you just need to pick me up. Okay, the next curbside deal that we have is also, you know, if you just want to get something a bit more fancy. So the Dr. Bronner bar soap is buy 2, get the 3rd for free. With a curbside pickup, you can only add 2 like items. So for these sort of products, so grabbing 2 of the peppermints and then 1 of the lavender. So 2 and 1, and one of these items will be free because this is part of skincare. And I know a lot of people shave down the Dr. Bronners, add it with some water, and you can make your own body wash if you please. Definitely look up a recipe for that, but I see it all over social media where people are like, you know, grating bar soap and making their own deal. No digital coupon, sadly, but your subtotal for the 3 bars of soap is $10.58. Curbside pickup is free, a little bit of tax for you for $11.21. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay the $1.21. And if you love Dr. Bronner's and you see the value in this, I believe you could use this for everything from cleaning your household to like bathing, that sort of stuff. There's like 101 uses for the Dr. Bronner's, the Pure Castile bar soap, but this might be an option. And if you are into shaving it down to make like a diluted body wash or some sort of cleaner, you have that option as well. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.